Every pop-up drink stand needs 4 things ready on opening day: a valid permit or license, a reliable point-of-sale system, enough ice and backup supplies, and a clear sign that tells people what you sell and how much it costs. Let's break this down like you're setting up a lemonade stand for the whole neighborhood to see. First, permits matter because health departments actually do walk by pop-up stands, and getting shut down on day 1 is heartbreaking after all that prep work. Second, your point-of-sale system needs to work without internet sometimes, so having a backup like a simple card reader that works on cellular data can save you when Wi-Fi drops. Something most people don't know is that ice melts about twice as fast in direct sunlight, so smart vendors bring double the ice they think they need and store extra in a cooler with a locking lid. Also, a small folding table with a tablecloth instantly makes your stand look professional instead of thrown together. Lastly, always have a tip jar out, because seeing one increases tips almost every single time, even if no one says anything about it. One common mistake is not testing your equipment the night before, so plug in every blender, cooler, or register and make sure it actually turns on before opening morning. Another thing people overlook is cash flow, so keep a small bank of coins and small bills ready since customers rarely have exact change. Lastly, weather can ruin your whole day, so always have a backup canopy or umbrella ready in case of sudden rain or harsh sun, since customers won't wait around uncomfortable. If you enjoyed this, check out our online directories in the description below.